Okay, so just to recap what you guys have missed so far, because I started this video and then I stopped it. I took out my tape and extensions last night and I washed my hair. It is still very sticky, and I kind of want to wash it again, but I also want to relax it, and if I wash it, I can't relax it. And I have some new extensions. These just came in yesterday, so I want to put these in preferably like this weekend. Yesterday was Wednesday, today's Thursday, so I took my extensions out on Wednesday. I'm gonna like let my hair rest for today. I'm probably gonna relax tomorrow night and then start these tomorrow after I get finished with the relaxer, or start them on Saturday morning, because it should take me, hopefully, if I just go straight through, maybe like 3 hours or so. I'm gonna really challenge myself this time to just sit down and knock it out instead of spreading it out over the course of 3 or 4 days. So that is my plan. But I have like events tonight, and I don't know, low-key I've kind of been thinking about taking off work tomorrow and just going ahead and doing my hair, but then I'm like, should I do that? Should I do that really? So I don't know, that's where we're at. But I figured I would just make this like a vlog type video instead of doing a sit down video, because I have like 3 or 4 sessions special, like 3 or 4 sessions of times that I've installed tape-ins that I've filmed, but I never filmed like an intro or anything like that. So consider this an intro. Welcome to the vlog. We're gonna do my hair. I love a V part for when I am like in between styles, because literally, again, all I did was like flat iron this little bit of hair up here at the top, throw on this headband because my edge is looking rough, and we're just gonna call it a day. So I will come back when we're in the next step of this process. Hello you guys. Okay, we're back. I think where I left you last, but in case I didn't, I had just taken out my extensions, so that was on Wednesday night. And I took out my extensions, I washed my hair, I let it air dry, because I try and do like as least as possible to it when I know I'm going to be doing a lot to it later. So I washed it, let it air dry. That was on Wednesday night. Today is Friday, and I just relaxed my hair, and I don't know if you can see, but I definitely still have curls. What up, you guys? Okay, so update on where we're at. Last night I blow dried my hair. It is currently 11:20 in the morning. So I did blow dry my hair because when I was like combing my fingers through it, I realized there was a lot of stickiness in the back. So I ended up blow drying all of my hair till it was about 70% dry. And then I went to sleep. And then this morning I woke up and actually put on a U-part because I have some stuff to do. And I'm on a time crunch because my nephew has a haircut schedule for later today. So I've sectioned my hair into 4 sections. There's the 2 fronts, this top back, and then the very bottom back. What I'm working on right now is this bottom back. I just blow dried it or blew it out with the with my hair dryer. I don't know why words are hard today, but with my hair dryer and this comb attachment. And actually, no, this is what I used last night. Today I actually used my Denman brush to blow it out, and if you can see, there's still some tape, so it's not like a foolproof plan, but it's a lot better than it was last night. So the next step is going to be to take my straightening brush, straighten this out, and then I'm going to install extensions, and then I'm going to go up to the next section, and then blow it out, straighten it, install extensions, likewise and so forth. My goal is to get this all done today. I know it's going to be like broken up into sections just because I'm going to have to stop and take my nephew to get his hair cut. But before tomorrow morning, my hair should be completely done, or else. Okay? Or else. So that's where we're at. I'm probably going to turn on some Netflix, watch a show, maybe listen to music. I don't know. One of the two, so that I can get through this, because like I said, I'm on a time crunch. So. And I wanted to do my lashes before I went, but I don't think that's going to happen, so yeah. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, act like you a stranger, Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, can't name one bitch on my level. Ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just seen your new bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Flex on my legs, in my Model X. Flex on my legs, in my Model X. Flex on my, flex on my, back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back up on my bullshit. I'm back up on the scene.
Yeah.
Work. See me up here, work. See me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had.
What up, you guys? Okay, so let me turn the music off. It's distracting me. Alright, so it is 11 o'clock at night. I am beyond exhausted, to be honest, you guys. Like, I feel like if I just had to put the tapes in, I might could convince myself to stay up a little bit longer, but because I still have to like blow it out and then straighten it, I'm just like, you know what, we did our best. We did our best. We got the back finished, which was my priority. So this is the back. So far I have used 20, 40, 60, a little over 60 tapes. So I'm working on the 4th pack of hair now, and I have about half of that left, so maybe around 70 tapes. And then I just have like this front portion right here. It's actually pretty small. It may take me an hour and a half to finish it tomorrow, but I am just so tired. This week has been insane, and I wanted to try and get it all done in one day. And honestly, I think if I had gotten back earlier in the day, that could have happened, but circumstances were beyond my control, so whatevs. We're back. Plus my camera's about to die, and I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna reset. We're gonna pause and reset, and we're gonna come back to this tomorrow.
Something that you never
that's what we're
seen,
doing.
something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. So me by that work. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just called a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a member, maybe down the road. Right now, I really see my heart.
What up, guys? We're back. We're wrapping up this video. Okay, has it been like 3 weeks? Yes. Are we gonna talk about it? No. But the extensions are in. We went with a side part, so I kind of did like a little bit. I left a little bit of hair out, and then I used the what are these? The like skin wefts at the front and on the side, so that I can kind of do a side, like pull my hair up if I wanted to without it being visible, but I digress. So we're getting ready to curl it. It's the first time I've curled the hair, so we're gonna go through that process together. I think I used a total of, oh, it's 18-inch hair, by the way, and I believe I used not quite 100 because I still have a 20 pack left, and I ordered 120. So I don't think I used, I probably would say I used about 100 because I used some of the skin wefts in exchange for the regular wefts, so I would say probably about 100 are in my head. So yeah, we'll just be tabling.
Diamonds on my records.
Keep practicing.
16, I was coming down with Americans. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got some library. What about my body? You want my body? I'm in the house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body? I can't let go, nobody. I'm